Deshvani listeners and viewers. Welcome once again to a very special episode on culture. Culture is something which kind of binds us together, which takes us back to our roots and also keeps us grounded no matter where on earth we are. And today we have a special guest, Dr. Tripti Sharma, who is a vocalist and a music practitioner here in Sweden. And she has done her PhD and MPhil and all possible degrees in music. She's like Mata Saraswati here in Sweden. So let us get introduced to her and get inspired through the beautiful journey that she has had so far. All the way from India, learning in Benares Gharana and coming here to Sweden and spreading the joy of beautiful Indian classical Hindustani music.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Thank you for inviting me to this podcast. I'm so blessed to have you here and so blessed to me be here.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Tripti, for joining us here today.
Thank you.
I think here in Sweden, we are blessed to have you here. And you're so learned and such a humble person. And we would like to learn more from you today and be inspired.
Thank you. Thank you. जब लालना मोरे मंदिरवा कान भन कवा परिलो रे मोरे कान भन कवा परिलो रे तन मन धन सब उन परवारो तन मन धन सब उन परवारो जो पियावे मोरे मंदिरवा ठुमक ठुमक चले जालयंगनमा पायलिया बाज छनन छनन मोरे कान भन कवा परिलो रे मोरे कान भन कवा कान भन कवा कान भन कवा परिलो रे
Wow. Ati Sundar. I cannot take these words in English. Excuse me for that. And you set such a lovely atmosphere, and they set the tone for the conversation today. It's amazing, so beautiful. And as you can all see, we will do a little bit of music and a little bit of talk and get inspired through this journey. And I can't wait to know what has been your past like. How are you like this so beautiful today with your music?
So, from where I start? Okay, I start from my childhood.
Yeah.
So, I am from a city, Muradabad, and which is, first of all, I'm Tripti Sharma,
Yes.
and I'm a classical and semi-classical vocalist from Banaras, Gharana. I am from a city which is famous for brass, Muradabad,
Yes.
and it is in Uttar Pradesh. So I came from there. But my father belongs to Uttaranchal. Place in Uttaranchal is Almora.
Mhm.
So due to his job, he has to move to Muradabad
Okay.
because he was doing a job in Indian Railways. So he shifted there.
So as a child, you went with him. The family moved along with him.
Yeah.
Yes.
Before us, he moved to.
He
Muradabad.
moved there.
Yeah,
Okay.
he moved
Yes.
there. And I have two younger siblings.
Yes.
My mother is a school teacher. She's also PhD in Sanskrit.
Wow.
And our family is very traditional. So we woke up like that to hearing the hymns, Hanuman Chalisa and Sundarkand, which is one of the part of Ramcharitmanas.
Yes.
So we woke up like that. And then we used to recite the same thing together with our parents. And
Yeah, so you kind of woke up to music.
Yeah.
It naturally came to you since you were a child.
yes,
You were surrounded by music from the morning,
yes.
I can say.
Yeah, and then every Tuesday and Saturday we used to recite the Sundarkand part with all the instruments,
Yeah.
possible instruments. So my sister used to play tabla, I used to play harmonium, and
Wow.
my brother is like khartal, manjira. So we do
Fantastic.
like that.
So it was like the whole family was engaged in music. It's not a solo thing for you since
yes,
childhood.
yes,
Parents were involved, siblings were involved, and the whole family, like
Yes.
kind of, this tied everybody together,
yes,
I can
yes,
say.
yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, somehow the music starts like that, and then yeah, it became a part of my life.
Yes.
Yeah, I didn't even recognize that it is not completely new for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like that.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
And where did your formal learnings happen? When did you start taking, like, who inspired you to start taking lessons in music?
So my mother inspired me.
Okay.
She sent us, me and my sister, to one of the possible guru that time,
Yes.
and then the teacher.
In Almora itself?
No, in Muradabad.
In Muradabad?
Yeah. So we used to live in railway quarters. So the another building of the quarter, there is a teacher, Meera Sharma ji, who used to teach the children like an instrument or vocal
Yes.
music. But the thing is, I went there to learn tabla and kathak.
Oh, okay. So your first learning started with tabla and kathak.
Yes.
But anyhow, in the music side,
Yeah,
right?
in the music side.
Yes. Okay, that's interesting to hear.
Yeah, and then when I went there and I see all the children are playing tabla
Yeah.
and harmonium and singing, and they're doing dances, Bollywood dance and classical also.
Mix of any possible music
yeah,
there.
yeah. So I got everything there.
Mhm.
I got to know everything there from there.
Yes.
And then suddenly one day, because I went there first, like the classes start from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. I reached there 3:55 there,
Okay.
and I came back to home 7 o'clock.
Wow.
Till that time I used to be there and like
Long duration.
long duration and listen to other things. And one day, one of her student is reciting the Bandish of Yaman,
Mm-hmm.
but she was reciting it wrong.
Okay.
And then I went to her and said, "No, you are saying it wrong.
Yeah.
It's not like that. It
You
should
must
be."
have heard it before,
Yes.
and you know already without even a formal learning.
Yes, yes.
Right? That environment kind of
Yeah.
was a teacher for you.
Yes, yes. So I went to her and tell her that it's not the proper way you have to sing. You
Yeah.
should sing like that.
Correct.
So then my teacher,
Yeah.
the teacher, she sees some potential ability towards singing to me, and she informed my mother.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
So
so
that's
good.
how.
That's the importance of our teachers and gurus in our life.
Yes.
Who can spot the spark.
Yes, she is the one who spotted me.
Mm-hmm.
I can sing also.
Correct.
With the tabla practice and dance practice, I can sing also.
Correct.
So when I came to in sixth class,
Yeah.
so I started when I was 7 year old. I was in class 3 or 4, where the time I started learning the tabla and kathak. And then when I was in sixth class, I have to choose in school. I have to choose arts and music.
Okay.
So I chose music. Because I already
because
know
that
something.
is like a hobby for you.
Yeah.
It's like you enjoy doing it.
Yeah,
It's
so
no longer a subject where you have to
No,
study and do
no.
things.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
and because I chose because I know something in music,
Correct.
not sur that time,
Mhm.
but I know I can manage it. But
Correct.
because I have heard it, so I can pursue that. I most my interest is most in music, so I chose music, and that is how it begins. The singing begins. And when I was in 9th class, I have to do the board exams. I have to give the board exam. I have one of the subject, music subject also there. So that time we have to sing in front of a practical portion,
Yeah.
like rags,
Demonstrate. Yeah.
and the examiners comes and
Yeah.
sing.
Usually we have theory and practicals.
Yes,
so
yes, theory.
You're
and
giving the
practicals.
practical.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, for that I need a guru. So yeah, I found my Guruji, Pandit Brij Gopal Vyasji, as my first Guruji.
Yeah.
I learned from him rag and devotional music. I introduced to devotional music. I already know, but the bhajan, classical bhajan.
Classical bhajans.
Classical
yes.
bhajan. I know the
How
words.
to apply the classical into the bhajan, which can reach
Yeah.
out to more people and
Yes.
in the sense of devotion.
Yes.
Yes.
So music comes as a devotion
Correct.
to me.
Exactly.
So
It's like a prayer.
it's like a prayer.
And I could already sense the atmosphere that you created in your first alap.
Oh, thank you.
Which raga was that?
Jaunpuri.
Jaunpuri. Rag Jaunpuri. So it's amazing that it's like, that devotional setup is already created.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it is the bandish about saying that I'm hearing the Lord Krishna is coming.
Yes.
So the bandish is
How beautiful. And Dr. Tripti, how did your next level happen? Like, as a girl, you have grown up, and then probably your life went ahead, and you were married after a while. But before that, did you
Yeah.
continue your learning journey?
Yes,
Yes.
I pursue my higher education. For that I went to move to Delhi.
Okay.
So I passed out from Delhi University. I did my masters, my MPhil, and my PhD there.
All in music.
All in music. All in music. So yeah, and after finishing that, I was before coming to Sweden, before moving to Sweden, I was assistant professor in the university,
Delhi University.
Delhi University College.
Okay.
Guest assistant professor there. So I got after that I got married and I shifted here.
Yes.
Yeah, and while I was doing my MA and all, then one of my very good friend, Gitanjali Chandra, I would like to mention her name here
Yes.
because she is the medium that I met my another Guruji.
Okay.
So one day we were discussing that I want to learn Indian classical music here also. So she said, okay, I asked my Guruji and you can come with me. So she asked the Guruji,
Yeah.
which is also mine now.
Yes. So that was her Guruji.
That was her
At
Guruji.
that time.
At
Yeah.
that time.
Yes.
So I went to her place and I'm mesmerized
Yes.
with all the things. I cannot say the music anymore. All the things. The personality. She's her name is Srimati Sunanda Sharma ji. Is a very renowned artist from
Yes.
Banaras Gharana. So
From the first moment you
yes, I was mesmerized. I
fantastic.
completely mesmerized. Yeah, and the funny thing, when he told me that sing something, so she said, "Okay, let's do a lap in Yaman."
Yeah.
I completely sureless.
Aha. Yes.
I was like, what?
The
I'm
same
doing
Yaman
here?
which you corrected some time back.
Yes. Yeah, the same Yaman which I'm correcting somebody else,
Yeah.
Bandesh. Now I couldn't remember the swaras of the Yaman Rag, and somehow she sensed it. She sensed that.
Because you're
she-
overwhelmed.
Yeah,
you
I'm
know.
overwhelmed
Yeah.
and I was very, mesmerized. I
Yeah.
can say that.
Yeah.
That is the
That is
perfect
the-
word. Perfect word for that.
Yeah.
Completely in the aura of her. Yeah. And I couldn't sing anything. So when I was coming back from her home, I told my friend that she's not going to call me again
Yeah.
because I am very, very bad singer. And in the class,
Yeah.
I was a good student. I was
Yeah.
a good student.
Hmm.
And somehow I couldn't sing anything in front of her. But
It just,
it's like
it didn't come.
it didn't come.
No.
I didn't sing in front of her.
Yes.
How could she she made me a disciple?
How
I'm
will she
very-
decide? Yeah.
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 So I can say that I'm very blessed and very blessed to become her disciple, and she accepted me as her disciple.
Wow.
Yeah, and
So that is the generosity, I think,
yes,
of
complete.
our teachers and gurus in
Yes.
our life.
Yeah.
That she saw that spark in you.
Yeah.
Also.
Yeah,
Even though you did not demonstrate,
Yeah,
it's the magical power of the guru to see the spark, the
Yes.
invisible spark that is inside you.
yeah. Maybe
think
she
it's
sensed
the-
it.
Yes,
Maybe she sensed it.
yeah, she sensed it. Indeed, because look at what we just listened to.
So that's how, and I have learned in very oldest tradition, Guru Shishya Parampara.
Yeah,
So in the Guru Shishya Parampara, we used to live with Guruji
yeah,
and follow how it should be like that.
okay,
How you practice.
yeah,
And we used to woke up at 4 a.m. and do riyaz with my Guruji, and sometimes alone. I'm alone.
yeah.
And then in the middle of the day is like 11 or 12 o'clock. We
Sit
used
down
to
again.
sit down again.
Yes.
And in the sometimes it can be like 2 o'clock in the night.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
the learning is like that in Guru Shishya Parampara.
It's totally blending into your regular day. Music can appear anywhere,
Yeah.
and
So-
that will happen naturally.
Yeah, so you cannot say, okay, now it's 4 a.m., 4 p.m., we should like that. No.
No, because you kind of tend to sing when you're happy, when you're sad, when you're lazy. I mean, and I think different ragas are built that way as well.
Yes,
Morning
Indian,
ragas,
yes. Indian ragas,
middays. Yeah.
Indian music is completely like time related thing.
Yes.
So in the morning, we cannot sing the Yaman rag in the morning.
No, it's
Yaman
an
is an
evening
evening
raga. Yeah.
You have to practice in the evening also.
Exactly.
You cannot practice in the morning. Yeah.
Then that feeling will not come.
Yes.
And if you sing Bhairavi at night,
Yeah.
you won't sleep the whole night. It's like a morning.
Yeah.
So exactly. So I'm really now more interested to know what types of songs, like Indian classical music vocal, like we know that Bandesh and Khayal is one side.
Yes.
But what are the other flavors that we have in the Bhandar?
So I'm going to sing Katpa.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
very intricate singing because it's a complexity of dance and all.
Yes.
It's very complex,
Yeah.
and one cannot sing more than 5 minutes this
Yes.
particular singing style. And आंदा वे मियां नजरे नहीं आंदा वे मुखड़ा दिखा के दिल ले जाना वे मियां नजरे नहीं आंदा वे मियां आजरे नहीं आंदा मियां नजरे नहीं आंदा वे मुखड़ा दिखा के दिल ले जाना मेरे मियां नजरे नहीं आंदा वे जिस दम नाल वारी वे साई तू साडा वे सोई दम नजरे नहीं आंदा वे मियां नजरे नहीं आंदा नजरे नहीं आंदा नजरे नहीं आंदा वे
So beautiful composition.
Thank
So
you.
beautiful.
So yeah, so it's in Punjabi.
Yes.
The lyrics are Punjabi.
Lyrics in Punjabi.
Yes.
Yes.
So
And what did that mean? Really?
the meaning is the Miya nazare nahi aanda, mukhda dikha ke dil le janda.
Le jande.
Yeah. So my beloved is not seeing me, but when I saw him, he took my heart away.
Oh, how beautiful.
It's like that.
This is so beautiful. And this often happens, right?
Oh, yes. Yes.
So when did you meet your beloved in life? How?
So it was like arranged marriage.
Yeah?
So yeah, it's an arranged marriage.
Nice. Arranged marriages are very common in India, as we know. And so, but I would say that sometimes arranged marriages, the family may not be by your side, your interest, I mean, the merging of the two families, the interest,
Yeah.
that is very important for the long-term happiness
Yeah.
and the dreams and the ambitions that you have in life,
Completely true.
right? So how did
I
that
informed
happen?
when my parents talked about the marriage and all. So I told my parents that I want somebody who like music.
Yes.
Maybe he not do music, but
Yeah.
he liked the music.
Appreciate
Because
it. Yes.
my career in that field.
Exactly.
I cannot say that okay, now I'm married, I cannot pursue my career. No, I cannot say that because I have to take my stand. It's very necessary.
Exactly.
And I'm very blessed that my family, both of my family, my in-laws, my family,
Yes.
both supported me.
Supported you. Yes.
And here, he's also supporting my husband.
Yes.
Yes.
Of course, today you are here and you have your family waiting for you, but and you're also doing so many concerts, not only in Sweden but also in different countries.
Yes.
So without the family support,
No.
I mean, even if you're a musician, if you're a doctor, if you're a lawyer, an engineer, you know, I think the family support is
Yeah.
so important, both for women and men.
Yeah. It's
So I would say that you are not facing that struggle.
I'm very blessed.
Very
in
blessed
this
from that
field, yeah,
side.
because
So
it's
that comes
supportive.
out through your music because you have to be happy
Yes.
to give others happiness.
Yes.
And music is something which gives happiness.
Yes.
So it binds
It's
you to
spreading the
root.
joy of
Spreading the
music,
joy of
yeah.
music.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And we heard you that. So you have been traveling also to different countries.
Yes.
Ever since you were here, you said since 2015 you were here.
Yes.
And then from 2022 you kind of started to, or 2021 it was when you started to
Here.
take part in different
Yeah,
concerts.
I used to go to concerts here. So somehow I connected with the musicians with here.
Yeah.
And so I have like the connection I built up. And
You built up, you went ahead
Yes.
because no one knew you when you were here, right?
You have to.
You have to go ahead and
Yes. You have to go ahead.
I can think so.
You cannot sit under a couch and say, no, I have to perform, I have to. No.
No,
You should go out and.
you cannot
see it.
procrastinate.
Yes.
You have to just manifest and do it.
Yes. So I'm
Wow.
very fortunate because I have like opportunity. I got the opportunity to collaborate many artists. Like in Riga, I have performed.
Yes.
So I have connected with a beautiful person, Natalia Deranina.
Okay.
She's a Kathak dancer.
Oh wow.
And I met a very good star player there,
Yes.
Sebastian Dreher,
Okay.
and he's from Germany.
Yes.
And Arjun Santosh is from south part of India.
Oh
He's a
wow.
rhythm player. And Balraj Singh Sandhuji is also a tabla player there.
So now you have your network of musicians already in such a short span, and you are traveling different countries and sharing the joy of music.
Yes, and
And I think as musicians, what do you think? They share the same story as yours, right?
Yes.
No matter which country we are from, music kind of ties us together,
Music binds us together.
bind us together. Yes.
The music is the thing which binds us.
Yes. Music is a language of its own.
Yeah. Universal language.
Universal.
You may say that.
Exactly.
And here in Stockholm, I have performed in Stockholm Sangeet Sabha
Yes.
with a very famous artist here from Sweden, Suranjana Didi.
Suranjana Devi. We all know her.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and I have also collaborated with Sten Wilstad and
Yes, we know him.
KG. And
Yes.
Isak also.
Yes.
Isak Carlson. Yeah.
So here also you have your local network, and I think it's in Europe it's so important to stay connected.
Yes.
So we can learn from each other and share the joy of music, even though we are so far away from our country. But Dr. Tripti, while you're staying here, you're connecting with musicians here and collaborating, and also in Sweden, and also with other musicians in our neighboring countries. But how about India? Do you still collaborate with anybody in India to keep in touch and perform something?
Yeah, I would like to mention here that one of my friend, my classmate,
Okay.
and he is a very famous Bollywood musician, and his name is Pravesh Kumar Malik. I have collaborated 2 songs with him while sitting here.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
So it's like a joint effort,
Yes.
long distance effort.
Long distance effort. So yeah.
Fantastic to hear that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I would
And
like.
where can we hear listen to those songs?
Please go to the YouTube and find me Tripti Sharma
Yeah.
classical, and
Yeah.
you will find all the songs, all the Tappa Dada Tumni Chetty
Fantastic.
there.
Fantastic.
Please follow
So
me.
if you want to listen more to such songs, of course, follow Dr. Tripti Sharma.
Yes.
So what is your word for the women who are standing behind the balconies and thinking whether I should restart and shape up my my career in
Yeah.
whichever way?
Yeah. We have to come out from our shell. I can only say that. If we not stand by ourselves to ourselves, nobody will going to push us that you should do that. You should do. If the things comes inside from you, that is more important.
Listen to your
Listen to your heart. Whatever you're doing, you should pursue something which you want in your life, not by the pressure, under pressure of your family and all. You can make them understand that I need this.
Yes.
I want this.
And then you will have your supporters. You will have people around you who believe in your story
Yeah.
and will take you forward where you want to go.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a journey. How do you take care of this beautiful voice? Something which is so beautiful needs to be nurtured and needs to be taken care of. What do you do?
Yeah. I think I do not care so much. I do not care so much. I cannot say you should do like that because
Yeah.
every body is different,
Yeah.
and you have to look what is going wrong with you, wrong with your voice. Like somebody told me that you should not have curd in the night because they feel that the
It
throat is not
impacts.
properly working after eating the curd in the night. So it depends on the body.
Okay.
So somebody said that do not eat
Ice cream or
pickles
pickles.
and all.
No.
It depends on you.
Yeah.
How you
But Riyaz is a constant thing. I'm
Riyaz is like something which you cannot omit.
Yes. It's
It's
every day.
very necessary. You need to practice each and every day. And why I'm saying so, because if you're performing for 20 minutes, like I do Riyaz like in the morning in the middle of the day if I got the time, and in night. So it becomes like 3.5 or 4 hours.
Correct.
And if you want to perform 1 hour, 4 hours is very less.
Yes.
You need to practice each and every day because it create a muscle memory.
Correct.
It create a muscle memory. When you are practicing a thing so much, it becomes the part of your body.
Correct.
It cannot be like that. Oh, I should sing like that. Okay, what should I sing?
It comes from the instinct then.
Instinct.
Automatically. it will
Automatically.
come.
Yeah.
You don't have to put your mind to it. That
Yeah.
what will I you know.
Practice so
Yeah.
much so that it can be very easy. Comes very easy.
Correct.
It should not be like forcefully
Correct.
throwing your voice.
Yes.
No.
So beautifully put together.
So thank you.
So we then look forward to listen to some more music, if you may.
I would like to thank to all the Deshwani listeners and thank you for inviting me.
Can you shed some light on the further achievements that you have?
The achievement, I can say that it's blessings to me. It's to be disciple of such a legend, very good artist from Banaras, Haryana.
Yeah.
Sunanda Sharma ji is my Guruji, and she accepts me as a disciple. It's achievement. I can say it's a blessing to me. It's a blessing to me. And one thing I would like to mention here that I am very fortunate to be able to receive one lesson from Appaji, Srimati Girja Devi ji.
Acha.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's possible because of my Guruji.
Apart from music, has there been other hobbies or other achievements that you would like to mention to us?
Yeah. So I got a President Award in Bharat Scout and Guides.
Okay.
So yeah.
Wow.
So yeah, that happened to me. When I was in school, I was very fascinated by extracurricular activities. I was a good student,
Yeah.
but I don't want to study too much.
No, you want to just try other things.
just try other things. What is happening there? What is happening over there?
Yeah.
So I went to different like I went to NSS,
Yes.
National Seva as a Rashtriya Seva Sangh, and I went to Bharat Scout and Guides. I received the President Medal and Governor Award, both of the award, State Award
Fantastic.
and President Award in that. And
Huge. That is huge, and you are so humble about it.
so it's not a proudable thing. I just tried it, and then God's grace, by God's grace, I received that award. There's some of little bit of my
Yeah.
effort, I can say that. Yeah.
So you have not only in music, you have learned Kathak, you have learned like tabla,
Yeah.
vocal music, you've done the scouts, you've got the presidential award, and we are feeling really blessed to talk to you today.
Pleasure is all mine.
Yeah.
And in some of awards is I was Muradabad Idol, and I received Malhar Samman from Railways because I have performed so many times for the Railways, and they also organized the national level. It's a competition.
Okay.
And, they have also invite the other artists to perform there. So I performed many times.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they kind of
Yeah.
recognize that you deserve
Recognize.
award.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
And I was also a UP Diva with College of Success.
Okay. So that's you're too humble. You're just telling it once slowly to us.
Savariya, प्यारा रे मोरी गुइया सावरिया 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 प्यारा रे मोरी प्यारा